in this zoo.
Ano?
The animals in this zoo. No, the animals around this zoo
are
crazy.
Because
they are doing
they
things.
Ayan lang. Oh. Because.
Wala naman sa because.
Continue mo from because.
Because they are
doing
something.
No.
Things.
No, things. They're doing things that
they're not supposed to do.
Are not supposed to do in
The animals around the zoo.
In zoo.
Ano?
Balik sa zoo.
The zoo are not doing things that are the animals. Nagkabalik-balik din ang puta.
Tapos ako, in the end.
The animals, ano?
Ganyan, pangit zoo. Pangit animals.
Simulan mo, Kels. Simulan mo, Paul. Para iba naman, ganun.
Okay.
Are, as in,
okay, umpisa na ako. Game.
Some people.
Say that, kanta na some people.
Oh, no. Wala naman yung idea ng mga puta na.
Some people here.
Some people here cause, C-A-U-S-E.
Some people
here
what?
cause trouble.
Some people cause trouble.
Huh?
Hindi, ano ba?
Cause trouble.
Sabi ko, di ba?
Some people cause.
Here.
Ay, hindi. Ikaw pala.
Some people here cause.
I said
Okay.
cause.
Some people here cause trouble in
Some people
In the
here
house.
cause trouble in the
Club.
Sabihin mo yung ko, gago.
Some people here cause trouble in the club. Tangin na.
Go.
Some people cause trouble. Some people
Here.
here cause trouble in the club because
Some people here.
Ayaw word na yun eh.
Some people here
cause trouble.
cause trouble
Trouble. Me, because you is there.
because no.
because
Some-
ako.
Because siya, ikaw, ano ka?
Some people here cause trouble. Ano sabi mo nun?
In the
Some
the
people
club.
here cause trouble.
In the club.
Tinuturo niya na kahit
Ano sabi mo? In the club
Cause
because they
Some people here
cause trouble
cause trouble
in the
club
because they
are
Go na.
Ayun ba yan?
Kaya na nga i-continue mo na lang. Mag-isip ka na lang ng one word. Mag-isip ka ng one word.
No, that makes it more interesting, you dumb.
Hindi, mas interesting yun kasi mas magko-continue na tanginang napunta ka na nga sa club.
I-memorize
Oo, mabubuta sa club, tapos sa animals na. Yung di ba? Yung
Hindi,
kagabuhan.
alam nyo naman na yung start ng
Exactly,
sentence
oh.
siya, yung mga sinasabi natin eh. Pag alam nyo nang wala na yung sa sentence
Oh.
or wala nang sense,
Ibahin na.
ulit namin.
sige.
Okay.
Sige.
So you have to be careful. Kasi pag
So wala nang
kapag
ulit-ulit ng
kailangan
sentence.
natin, binabasa natin lahat ng mga sinabi natin.
Mga tayo.
Mas may